Enable your sales team to provide discounts to unique products based on predefined tiers with Salesforce CPQ. It's easy to create volume discounts based on quantity or terms for your products. Let's take a look. For a sales rep quoting within CPQ, the calendar icon indicates that this product is eligible for a volume-based discount. The discount schedule shows the various tiers along with their respective discounts, which can be displayed as a percent, amount, or price. Tiers can be added or removed based on the customer's purchasing habits. Here are 3 easy steps to set up discount schedules in Salesforce CPQ. First, create a new discount schedule. As an admin, start by searching for the CPQ object called Discount Schedules and click New. Give the discount schedule a name, determine its type, and how it should be applied. Then click Save. Next, define discount tiers. Now, start to add tiers directly from the newly created discount schedule. Give each tier a name, lower bound, upper bound, and discount. It's important to ensure the upper bound of the preceding tier matches the lower bound of the following tier. Once the tiers are in place, click Save. And finally, assign the discount schedule to a product. Once the discount schedule is complete, assign it to as many products as you like. Simply navigate to a chosen product, search for the discount schedule in the lookup field, and save. By allowing you to quickly create new discount schedules, define their discount tiers, and assign them to products, Salesforce CPQ makes managing discounts easy. To find out more, visit us online.